See, one, two, two, three, one, two, three. Check out the OF, guys. If you want more exclusive content, check out the OF. Check out the OF. If you want woman and stuff, check out the OF, guys. We do consulting, and yeah, guys, this is the OF right here. Check it out, guys. Expiry. Yeah, guys. DM me for consulting, guys. If you're struggling about woman and stuff, you want to get laid more faster, I will help you out, guys. So yeah, we have a lot of members, a lot of testimonials. So check it out, guys. Let me see the chat. So yeah, guys, as you can see, everything is ready, guys. Let me do like a breakdown what we're gonna do today, guys. So let's get it popping. So I have flour. You know what I mean? We have flour. We're gonna use flour, of course. Baking soda. I'm gonna use baking soda. Sugar. We're gonna use sugar. Honey. We're gonna use honey, guys, for the hot cake, American hot cake. You know what I mean? And of course, milk, guys. Very important using milk, guys. We're gonna use milk. So this is hot cake, very easy to do. And put one in the chat, guys, if you want me to show you the recipe, guys. So let's get it popping in the chat, guys. Get it popping in the chat. I'm ready to go. And yeah, guys, and I'm gonna do pasta too, guys. I'm gonna do pasta with sapaggio, you know what I mean? And onions. I'm gonna use onions, a lot of stuff, guys. A lot of stuff today. So put one in the chat. Let's get it popping in the chat, guys. Ready to go, guys. Former chef, you know what I mean? Training by the best, guys. So yeah, guys, I've worked on a lot of best restaurant, you know, from hotel, from club, and high-end restaurant, guys. So check it out, guys. Let's get it popping in the chat, guys. If you want me to do like food review and stuff, we're gonna do that mukbang and stuff. So let's get it popping in the chat, guys. Let's go. Ready to go, guys. Always ready. So as you can see, this is my induction kitchen right here. Yeah, this is the induction kitchen, and let's get it popping in the chat. Let me see. So the thing you should know about induction kitchen is that it is very fast, guys. So it is 90% more faster than gas, guys. So yeah, put one in the chat, guys, if you can see it. We're gonna use electric, guys, because we only have like one. In this section right here, we're gonna do the pancake pumpkin, you know what I mean? So this is the pumpkin we're gonna use with the pastellini. So guys, fun story, fun facts. Once upon a time, I used to work at an Italian restaurant, guys. A high-end Italian restaurant, guys. So yeah, this is pasta, guys. I'm gonna use 150 grams is one portion, you know, maybe 130 grams. Yeah, it's one portion, guys, one portion. So yeah, this is 130 grams. We're gonna use pasta today, guys. Pasta, let's get it, pasterini. So yeah, guys, pumpkin, pasta, and let me see, of course, cheese. We're gonna use cheese, you know what I mean? Cheese. Because Italian, you know what I mean? Cheese. This is cheese, nigga. What's good? Let me see. This is cheese, you know what I mean? This is Argentina cheese. Of course, salt, a little bit of salt. Mayonnaise, guys. Let's get it. So, and of course, onion, guys. I mean, when I do my pasta, it's very easy, guys. It's not that complicated. You know, I don't add like too much season and stuff. I like my pasta easy, you know what I mean? Easy pasta, guys. So let's get it popping in the chat. So, yeah. Let's go with the pumpkin first. Let's go with the pumpkin. I'm gonna peel like maybe that one, you know, maybe and a half. Yeah, maybe this little bit. You know what I mean? This one a little bit. We're gonna use a little bit of pumpkin, guys. I mean, the pumpkin, guys, is really good for your health, guys. So it has vitamin C, vitamin D. So yeah, guys, shout out to the pumpkin, guys. So yeah, guys, 200 grams of flour. My pumpkin is ready. And yeah, guys, everything is ready today, guys. Put one in the chat. Let me see the chat. 100 grams of flour, a little bit of baking soda, guys. As you can see right here, guys, we have 200 grams of flour, guys. 200 grams. A little bit of baking soda, you know what I mean? Maybe 10 grams. 10 grams of baking soda, guys. You can add vanilla if you want to, but I like to... I added 50 grams because I'm greedy today, guys. So we have 200 grams of flour and 50 grams. And now we're gonna add sugar, guys. Let me add a little bit of sugar, guys. Sugar, you know what I mean? Maybe 20 grams of sugar, guys. I'm gonna add 20 grams of sugar because I don't like to consume a lot of sugar, guys. So yeah, be careful, guys, with this sugar. Be careful. Okay, guys, I added 30. All right, that's good. I added 30 grams of sugar, guys. Let's get it. Now, of course, we're gonna add milk, guys. Very important. Add milk. You know what I mean? Let me see the chat. Oh shit, we have 8 people in the chat, guys. What's good, guys? We have 8 people in the chat. Let's get it. Let me see. Milk, guys. We're gonna add milk. Of course, guys, we're gonna add 1 egg, guys. Very important to add 1 egg later. Alright, guys, 160 grams of milk, guys. A millimeter, 160 millimeter of milk, guys. Let's get it. Perfect. 1 egg. We add 1 egg. Bro. Now my favorite part, guys. Mix. That's it. That's it. Nah, you guys cannot see. You guys cannot see. Yeah, I think you guys can see now. You see? If you see like it's sticking, you add a little bit more milk, guys. Let's go. Yeah, maybe 50. You add maybe 50 gram, 50 millimeter more of milk, because in pastry, guys, everything have to be measured, guys. You have to be you have to measure everything in pastry, guys. Let's get it. Boom. Let's get it, guys. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Let's get it, let's get it. You mix it, you see it? You have to find the consistency, guys. Let's get it. Man, I cannot. You guys cannot see what I'm doing, bro. Crazy. Boom, boom. This is the consistency, guys. This is the consistency, you know what I mean? Yeah, guys, the pros. Let's go, let's go. Now, that thing is already hot, guys. You see? The pan on the electric stove is already hot. Now we're gonna add it, guys. So yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna use oil, guys. Oh shit, we have 10 people in the chat, guys. Let's get it, let's get it. Say hi, guys, say hi. Let's get it. Let's go with the chat, guys. Let's go with the chat. Let me see. Let's get it, let's get it. So yeah, guys, we're gonna add a little bit of oil. Boom. A little bit of oil, and I was thinking like bringing girls and do like a collab with the naked bakers, guys. I see like in CB that there is girls, they do like naked baking, but not right now, guys. As we grow more in the future, we're gonna do that. So yeah, let's get it in the chat. Let me see. We have 11 people in the chat. Say hi, guys. Say hi in the chat. Let's get it. So yeah, guys, let me mix. Look, guys, look, my pumpkin are ready, guys. My pumpkin is ready. So yeah, let me see the chat. So yeah, guys, my pumpkin is ready, and what I'm gonna do right now is that we're gonna add the pasta, guys. So yeah, we have to taste everything in the kitchen, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna add my pasta, you know what I mean? And let's get it, guys, in the boiled water, and yeah, let's get it. Yep, it's ready, guys. Pumpkin is ready. Let me see the chat, guys. I will be right back right now, guys. Let's get it. We back, guys. Don't worry, guys. I was taking, grabbing stuff. So let me see the chat. All right, guys. Let me see the chat. We're ready, guys. So let me move my pancake, guys. Let me move it. Very important, guys. Look at the color, guys. Highly recommend to add butter, guys. Yeah, guys, add butter. And I'm gonna use a little bit of vinegar, guys, on my pancake, guys. A little bit. I like to add that acidity, you know what I mean? Acidity. Yeah, guys, a little bit of vinegar, a little bit. And I'm gonna use 100 grams of pasta, guys, because I don't want to eat too much, you know what I mean? I'm gonna use 100 grams of pasta, guys. Yeah, 100 grams of pasta. I think this is good, guys. 100 grams, because I don't want to eat too much, you know. We're gonna add carbs, and of course a little bit of protein, guys. This is how we do it, 100 grams. Oh shit, thank you for the follow, Brian Son, 369. Thank you for the follow. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna use a little bit of pasta today. A little bit. Now, guys, time for pasta. Let me see the chat. I need my pad really hot, guys. I need it really hot. We're gonna do pasta now. Look, guys, look. Pancake, guys, look. This is the texture. You know what I mean? I call this fluffy pancake, guys. Fluffy pancake. Welcome, mod 8807. Welcome. Look, this is the fluffy pancake. Let's get it. So yeah, guys, this is the texture you want. You know what I mean? Really clean, really fluffy, really nice. So yeah, let's get it. We're gonna add a little bit of honey, and yeah, guys, let's go. Yeah, everything is ready today, guys. Everything. Let me add another one, guys. If you're new here, put one in the chat. Let me add some music, guys, because I don't want to bore. Let me see the chat. Let's go. How much people you got in the chat? Pasta. How is it? Let's get it popping in the chat. So of course I'm gonna use onion, guys. I'm gonna use maybe maybe 78 grams of onion, as you can see right here. This is a half. Yeah, let's get it, guys. You see, very important, guys. When you're in the kitchen, you have to be disciplined, guys. Let's get it. Let me see the chat. Italian. So shout out to Italia, guys. I used to work at a very high-end Italian restaurant, guys. You know, we used to do like risotto, Italian, you know, ravioli, you know, all these laletini, and yeah, guys, a lot of frutto di mare, you know, a lot of Italian stuff, guys. So yeah, shout out to Italia, guys. Let's get it. Very important to have a sharp knife, guys. Let's see the chat. Let's see the chat. How doing in the chat, guys? Yep, it looks like my pasta is ready, guys. So yeah, fast, very fast. In 3 minutes, that thing will be ready, guys. Let's go. Let me see the chat. Let me see the chat. We have 10 people in the chat, guys. Put one in the chat, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it popping. Man, my pasta is ready, guys. Let me see the chat. Yep, pasta ready. Let's go. Boom. Look at the pasta. Look at the pasta. Let's go. Look at the pasta. Look at the pasta. Boom, a little bit of oil. Let me see the chat. Let's get it, guys. Boom. Boom. I'm gonna add onion. Let me see the chat. Yeah, let's go. Let's get it popping in the chat. Let me see the chat. Yeah, a little bit of cheese, guys. A little bit. Be gently with the cheese, guys. Let's get it. Let me see. A little bit. Let's go. Let me see. A little bit of mayonnaise. Let's go. This is definitely like mac and cheese, guys. Woo! Man, look at that smell, bro. Look, guys, look at that smell, bro. That thing tastes good, bro. Mmm. Man, this one is doing very fast, guys. My spaghetti is ready. My pancake is ready. Everything is ready, guys. Let's go. Let's see the chat. Yeah, check out the OF, guys. Check out the OF. Let me see how you're doing. Dick Lova 2, welcome to the show. What's good? Pancake is ready, guys. You see? Hot cake. Pancake is ready. And yeah, guys, this was really fast. That was a really fast one, guys. Of course, a little bit of honey. You know what I mean? Let's go. Yeah, guys, ready to go, guys. Always ready. You see how fast everything is? You see how slow that thing is, bro? So yeah, I mean, that kitchen is really slow, bro. I hate slow thing, bro. So yeah, guys, I was watching like Fallout the other day, and I really like Fallout, guys. Great characters, you know, great adaptation. I think Fallout is a great TV series. I mean, the character I like the most is the guy, you know, the guy with the gun. You know, I think he called the gun. And yeah, guys, I like him a lot, guys. So yeah, I was watching Fallout the other day. I think at the scale of 1 to 10, at the scale of 1 to 10, I think it is a 8, guys. I think it is a 8 by far, guys. You know, a lot of like sci-fi, you know, apocalyptic type of thing, but I really like it, guys. So shout out to Amazon, guys. Shout out to Jeff Bezos. Let's get it. Let me see the chat. And the stream is ready, guys. I'm ready to do the presentation, guys. Let's get it. Guys, let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! We are just 779. Welcome to the show. What's good? We have Soy Maggie. What's good? What's good? Yo, Joss 778-977. What's good? Let's get it popping in the chat, guys. Thank you for the follow, Angeles. Just for you. Welcome to the show. So yeah, guys, I was cooking today. As you can see, we have hot cake with honey, of course. You know what I mean? This is dinner stuff. Let's get it. You know what I mean? This is 1, 2, 3, 4 pancake. And yeah, let's get it popping in the chat, guys. Boom, ready, guys. I'm thinking about doing like food review, bringing girls and stuff, guys. Let me know, guys. Put one in the chat. We have It's Maya 18. Welcome to the show. What's good? What's poppin', baby girl? What's good? Boom. This is how you do it here, guys. Alright, guys, this is Mukbang, alright? Mukbang. And shout out to the Mukbang, guys. Let me see the chat. So put one in the chat, guys. Put one in the chat. Let me see the chat. What we have here is hot cake, guys. Woo, honey. Honey, alright? Honey. A little bit of honey. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. I mean, you can add fruit if you want to. You see what I mean? You add fruit. But this is how we do it, guys. Yeah, a little bit, guys. We don't have to be too greedy with the honey, you know what I mean? This is hot cake, guys. And you can add syrup, a lot of stuff, guys. But I'm not that type of guy, you know. I like add the double stack. This is how I do it. Wanna see my reaction? Make it simple, guys. Yeah. Boom. Yeah. Let's go. Look at my reaction, guys. Look. Boom. Look at my reaction. Mmm. Banger, guys. Banger food. Let me see the chat. How are you doing in the chat, guys? How are you doing?